Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Zikrius Neseptia, 1922-0039, B1 English Education Program 2019. Will explain the material that I have learned for Miss Ida in this semester. Okay. First, I have learned writing process, and then memos, and then email. Okay, let's begin. Okay, this is writing process. To be a successful writer, first you must identify your audience needs. So the reader will not confused about what you write. Okay, identify the what is it? You identify what you will write. Okay. Next is determine. Determine for what you write for what. The purpose in writing to that audience. Okay. So for what? Then make sure your message means your audience needs. So this is a target. Your target. You write for your target. Okay. Your reader target. To whom you will give your topic article or something like that, or your right. Okay. Next is style and tone. Style and tone. Use the most appropriate style and tone for your message. So the style and this tone, I think, don't use the weird style and tone. You must use formal text, then don't use a taboo or slang with a good right. Okay. Yeah, in here is the most appropriate style. Okay, maybe I think if this technological, the basic is Times New Roman or Calibri. Yes, maybe. Then clearly, okay, format your work to convey your message clearly for your audience. So you must clear what information do you will give to the audience. Don't out of the box. The next topic is about writing. What writing is and what it is not. Okay, will be at in the next slide. Then in the next slide, what writing is. Writing is a fluid process. It is dynamic, not static. It enables you to discover and evaluate your thoughts as you draft and revise. So maybe this is from increase your thoughts, your thoughts. Yes, evaluate your thoughts. Then writing is making a number. Writing means making a number of judgment calls. A judgment. Judgment. Oh yes, judgment. Maybe judgment is this can same mean with opinion. Then next material change. Okay, this material change. A piece of writing changes as your thoughts and information change and as your view of the material change. So this is information change. What difference between material change? It's the same as your view. Okay, so with you confused with this text, you can use this text. This sentence, I mean. Sorry. Okay. A piece of writing changes as your thoughts. Changes as your thoughts. So your brain can be creativity with imagine the information or material. Okay? That's it. Writing takes time. Yes, that is right. Writing takes time. Because without time, you will not live, right? Writing takes time. Your typing in the keyboard takes time too. Yeah, this can call writing too. Then, what is it? Sports. A great sports. Great sports. Writing grows sometimes in bits and pieces. Something great sports. The big idea, a wonderful idea. Maybe just like that. Then the next slide. But writing is not. This is. Writing is not simply. Yes, of course, writing is not simply because there are so many rules in writing, in the good writing. Okay, if you don't follow the rules, the writing come more the bad. Uh, this is will be a bad writing. Continue. Writing is not something mysterious done according to a magical formula now. Only a few. So something mysterious done. This. Writing. You must writing with process. Okay. With according to a magic. Something mysterious done. So in writing happen because you write that with process, or maybe you type that in the computer, type that in the computer, and then print. Not a mysterious done from where. No, no. Novel is not done. It's not mysterious done. Novels must be written from the writers, so we can read that novel. Not mysterious dawn from where? No. And according to a magical formula known, only a few. Even if you have not done much writing before, you can learn to write effectively. So, before you become a writer, you can learn to write effectively by paragraph or text or sentence maybe. Begin from sentence, I think, to write effectively. So, if you learn to write effectively, begin from sentence, maybe you become a good writer. Okay. Next will be the next chapter is memos. Definition. Nah, definition. Okay. Memo. What is memo? Memo. It's a Latin word. The memorandum. Memorandum, from which the term memo comes. It's Latin word for something to be remembered. So this is something to be remembered, or I think this can be easy to remember. Then function. Basic function is to record information of immediate importance and interest. Importance. This is part of memo. Okay. Next, company politics. Formatted, organized, written, and routed memos different in each company depending on the policies of the company. So they will be different, okay, in other company, in each company. Memo parts, yeah, this is from, to, that, and something. From, who sent the memo? To reader who will read your memo. Maybe to your employee or to your worker. Next, date, when this memo is created or written. And the last is subject in memo parts. Subject is about what? This memo is about what? From memo, we should first is organizing a memo. First, the first paragraph is introduction, then body, or we can say this as part of discussion. Then conclusion. You must input your contact and conclusion, specifically where you are, if there are any questions. And then organizational markers. Okay, organizational markers. This function is for mark the most important of your memo. It can be bold or point or underline, italic. This is the example. Okay. Example number one, header. And header, you should put your company logos, or you can say just memo. Then a memo parts. Number two, memo parts. Two, from example, this is from me as owner of a digital printing. Okay, date. Date when this memo is created. Subject, time of work announcements. Okay, this is holiday from demonstration. We can see in the number three, as introduction. Number three, introduction, omnibus law rule. Therefore, I'm creating a memo to tell. Okay, number four. Nah, number four, body. Body. I use organizational markers. Point. I give the explanation for each point. Then number five is conclusion. Conclusion. This is from this memo. If you have any question, please call me. This is my contact. Okay. And for adding for clearly, I put my Gmail in here. This is the tips. Memos, faxes, and email messages are the type of writing you will prepare most frequently on the job. Why? Because it is quick, easy, and effective ways to internal and external communication. The next is email. Yeah. Email. What is it? Email. Email, or we can say that as electronic mail. Electronic mail. Electronic mail is a method of exchanging message between people using electronic device. Here, electronic devices. Okay, this is from the book. Email is the most informal, relaxed type of business correspondence, far more so than a printed memo, letter, short report, or proposal. However, emails should never be sent in place of a formal letter. This is I put from the book. And now, this is for more plainly, email is message that may contain text, files, images, or other attachments sent through a network to a specific individual or group of individuals using electronic devices. Electronic device and network through a network. This is the key of email. So when you don't using electronic device, you not it cannot say as email. Okay, next. Next, mail are records. Okay, you can just read it. Do not use it for your personal message. Use it only for appropriate company business and make sure your professional conscientious. Next, guidelines. Guidelines for using email. If you follow the guidelines, you will can create this effective or good effective business email. Okay. Now, one, make sure your email is confidential and ethical. Number point two, observe all of the proprietary requirement when using email. Paper trail. Next, use an acceptable format. Then follow all the rules of etiquette when answering email. Adopt a professional style. The last point is six. Ensure that your email is safe and secure. An email. This is the example of poorly and effective written email. This is the effective email. The good of email. Okay. Now, maybe this is the compare with other business communication. Email. Email with memo, we can use this as brief message, informal, then legal record, just a memo, the like tone, email and memo, confess, confidential material, just memo, secret site, just memo, reports, just memo, in-house message, email and memo, proof reading, email and memo. Okay, this is a cross compares. Okay, and I think the writing process should you use in email and memo. And one again, the effectively paragraph. Okay. What is it? In my opinion, it is necessary to write effective paragraph for writing process, email, and memo as it will give the best results. Okay, that's maybe from me. Sorry, I'm sorry if Boring. I'm sorry if I have mistakes. I think many of mistake of me. Forgive me, please. Okay, thank you, Miss Ida, from give me the task so I can speak in front of camera. Thank you. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.